Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today I am going to talk about the shares of Sequent Scientific Limited. And there is so much curiosity in the mind of retail trader that Sequent Scientific Limited share are going up or going to go down. And all these things are going on because of the last quarter result of Sequent Scientific Limited. We will be doing a full technical and fundamental analysis of Sequent Scientific Limited to understand the movement of its price. So friends, before we start, let's get started. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. Currently we are in the technical chart of Sequent Scientific Limited and I have taken a daily time frame chart. But as you know, before investing in any stock for medium term, long term or short term, we definitely have to understand the fundamental of that stock. And here also we will do the same, and for that we will go to screener.in. So friends, we have come to screener.in and here we have the fundamentals page of Sequent Scientific Limited. Here you can see the book value of Sequent Scientific Limited is around 29 rupees and the current market price which is going on at 244 rupees. If we calculate the current market price to book value ratio, it will come around 9x, which is not healthy for any kind of investment, because for a healthy investment, the current market price to book value ratio should be below 4. But in this case, the multiplier is running around 9x. So we have to check all the fundamentals to see if there is any kind of justification of this kind of premium value or this kind of current market price. So if we see the ROC of this stock, it is around 17%, which is excellent because it is above 15%. But the ROE is around 13.8%, which is below 15%. So I cannot say that ROE is excellent. ROE is good, but ROE is not excellent. And the stock P of Sequent Scientific is around 71.6, which is way above our cutoff mark, that is 30. We usually do not invest for long term in such stock whose P value is above 30, because P above 30 is considered as costly. Apart from that, we can see that the face value of this stock is 2 rupees. That means this stock is already having some kind of operations like stock splits or etc. And another point is dividend yield. Even if the company is earning good amount of profit, it is not paying out dividend to its shareholders. And there may be only one explanation for this zero dividend payout, is that the company is not having full confidence on its upcoming earnings. So friends, I will see that zero dividend yield is as a negative point. So friends, this kind of stocks which is having a face value of 2 rupees, whose ROE is below 15%, whose stock P is way above 30, 71.6, and whose current market price is running at a premium of 9x, is considered a too much expensive stock. And the basic fundamental of this stock is already showing us that the stock price is quite costly, and making an investment in long term or medium term in that price could be very risky for any retail traders. But still friend, we will be doing a deep analysis in its profit and loss statement and balance sheet to see that if any kind of positive things are there on which we can invest money on Sequent Scientific. So friends, let's go to the P&L statement. So friends, we are in the quarterly result of Sequent Scientific Limited, and here we will do two kind of analysis. We will compare the current quarter with its previous quarter, and we will also do an analysis on quarter basis, that is comparing June 2021 with June 2020, that is quarter basis analysis. So if we see the net profit of the stock, the net profit has declined significantly, because in previous quarter March 2021 it was having a profit of 21 crore rupees, and that profit have declined to less than 1 crore rupees. It is almost 90% decline from the previous quarter's profit. And if we analyze the result on quarter basis, that is the comparison between June 2021 with June 2020, here also you can see in June 2020 that net profit was around 16 crore rupees, and in June 2021 it have declined below 1 crore rupees. So the profit is significantly down in quarter basis analysis also. It is around a 90% drop from previous quarter and from quarter basis point. So friends, I can say that there is very little chance that the stock will give us some profit in medium term or short term. But friends, now we will go to the balance sheet of the stock and check that if this stock is having any deep root so that we can confidently invest our money in long term in this stock. We have come to the balance sheet of Sequent Scientific Limited, and if we see the cash reserve also declined significantly. In previous year, the cash reserve was around 693 crore rupees, and this year it has declined to 678 crore rupees. This decline in cash reserve is a negative point. If we see the borrowings is also declined, which is a positive point, because if the borrowing is declined, that means company is using the profit to repay the borrowings. But friends, if we also see the fixed asset has also declined around 100 crore rupees. In March 2020, the fixed asset was 632 crore rupees, but in March 2021, it have become 538 crore rupees, which is around 15% drop in fixed asset within 1 year. And this fixed asset drop has come from the drop in investment. You can see here the investment at March 2020 was around 171 crore rupees, which have become 83 crore rupees in March 2021. So there is a straightforward 50% decline in investment, and which in turn is showing a negative effect on its fixed asset. So friends, as per the balance sheet also, we are not observing any kind of strength or any kind of long-term strength in this company. Moreover, we can see some weakness in the balance sheet. So as per the fundamental, we cannot invest our money in Sequent Scientific in short term, medium term or in long term, because both the profit and loss statement and balance sheet are showing some kind of drawbacks in this company's management or in the operation of this company. So friends, now we'll go to the technical chart of this company, and there we'll be trying to identify one single point or single price which may be a good price to buy the stock, or at least the stock price should reach that level for us to further analyze the stock. So friends, let's go to the technical chart of the stock. So friends, here we come to the technical chart of the stock, and I have taken a daily candlesticks, means daily time frame candlesticks chart. Here you can see that I have already marked a price that is 150 rupees. Which may be potentially a buying price or good buying price for this stock. We'll not buy the stock above 150 rupees. We'll wait for the stock price to drop below 150 rupees, and from below 150 we'll start again analyzing the stock, and there we can identify any point to buy the stock for long term or medium term. But friends, as I have already shown you in my in-depth analysis of the fundamental, any price or any buying price above 150 may become a costlier price for the stock, and it may be very risky for retail traders to invest their money in the stock or buy the stock above 150 rupees. For safe traders, it is better to avoid this stock right now and wait for the stock price to hit at least 150 rupees. So friends, if you like the content of this video, then please like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. And if you need any kind of guidance in live market, you may join our Telegram channel, and in discussion board you may post your question and queries. We will try to answer your question and queries as soon as possible. It is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You can find our Telegram channel link below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We will be surely meeting in our next educational video.